Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a transition on TikTok. So make sure you have more than one clip, and then I'm just going to press next. Then I'm going to go to effects, and then I'm going to go to transition, and then I'm going to go to the part where the clip switches, but not exactly where it switches. I just want it about here, and maybe I want a zoom in transition. As you can see, there is a transition between the clips. There is a lot to choose from, but sometimes you need longer clips to do that. Let's try this one. There's also a scroll one. And once you're done, you're just going to press save and press next. And that is basically it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!